Hi, everybody. So to continue from last time, Ted's come over to help deburr some parts for Chapter 32, which are the little back cargo bay side skins. It's not side skins, it's internal side skins. So in the back, you've got the side skins of the fuselage, but just to make it that much cleaner, Vans gives you some pieces to put on the back near the cargo area to kind of give it a more finished interior look so that your cargo isn't banging up against the side of the actual fuselage itself. Before we get into any of that, what I'm working on is so both of the back skins are on, which is great. What we need to do now is, before we actually do anything else, is those back skins need to be riveted to the back bulkhead where the tail cone attaches. And so that's what I'm kind of getting into now. There's Victor came by. So it's relatively easy stuff to get to. It's just a pain in the butt with the fuselage up and down. I'm sitting there thinking, well, what the heck am I doing bending over and being such a pain in the butt about this? Let's do this the right way. So in just a second here, we're going to get our tilt on. There we go. So I am just riveting up the place between the back skins and the back bulkhead. It's just dome head rivets, very simple. There's two different sizes. You'll use a size 3 and a size 3.5, and that's pretty much it. Once that's all secured in place, then we're going to go ahead and start messing around with the flap motor brackets, part of which you can kind of see on the table. I couldn't even tell you where it is. It's just to the left of everything. I gotta tell you, that rotisserie just makes everything easy. Seriously, I can't even tell you how much easier it is. Oh God, there's a close-up of something no one ever wanted to see. Having this thing turning sideways is just so damned easy. So you may have seen the top part of the fuselage attached there. Trust me, that was just a test fitting. I'm just jumping the gun. You're going to see more of that in a little bit because, to be honest, we're actually pretty damn close. I expect the finishing kit to be here in probably exactly a month. My crating date is right in the beginning of November, and it's usually about a week later that everything comes over to here. We're only like an 8-hour drive from Aurora anyway. Oh yeah, and I was also taking care of a couple of rivets. So at the very front of those cargo bay skins, on the outside, are two rivets that get attached to part of one of the, I think it's a side bulkhead, that or it's a rib, and you need to go through. You got to read these instructions. I cannot say it enough. As someone who lazingly misses them, I can tell you, I got to go back and read everything. I'm trying to be religious about this stuff now. It's a pain in the butt. Okay, so you saw me sitting there working on the center bracket, and that's what you see there. This kind of holds the two together, and you can see that's also the point where the flap motor bracket's going to attach. There's a bunch of, I say a bunch of holes. There's a few holes that you need to go ahead and countersink because there are some flat rivets. And then the rest are all pop rivets, which you see me doing here. So in the next video, we're going to keep doing this, and we're going to put in that major middle bracket, and maybe I can find someone to be angry at. So, thanks for joining us. See you soon.